All right, so I have the Risepro Solar Shower. It's the first time trying it out, so I kind of want to see. It's only like 80 degrees today, so it's not like super hot out. Let's see what it's like. A few design things I noticed. Extra kind of thick stitching here, you can see, or like an extra pad there. You can tell it's like for soap or shampoo. It's like a little mesh and a non-mesh area. So I guess there's soap, shampoo. These hooks for I don't know, something else. Not really sure. The back, there's a thermometer here. If you can see it. And obviously the Fahrenheit lights up as it gets warmer. The Celsius below. There's this 110 in the sun. We'll see if it gets that hot, but you fill it in here. This little nozzle, it kind of comes off pretty quickly, so we'll see how that seals. And then this is always open, which is the first annoying thing. So you have to put the hose in before you fill it with water, and then this thing has to dangle the whole time. So put it on for the first time. Come on. Yeah. It's a stronger connection than I thought, so maybe it's not an issue. But it would be nice to have like a extra valve there. And a cheap little plastic thing. So goal is to fill it up with hose water, start from cold and see how warm it gets in the sun. So I'm putting it over there by that tree, if it can handle the weight, and have it in the sun for some hours, and we'll see what happens. All right, so let's go fill it up. So I'm gonna try to fill it from here. We'll see, but most likely I'll put the hose out. We'll see if I can handle the weight. Find a way to hold this, maybe like that, and it fills up. That's not bad. I can do it this way. All right. Well, it says what, 5 gallons? You said? It's supposed to be 5 gallons. We'll see. I was just getting heavy. 5 gallons. That's what, 8 pounds per gallon. 5 times 8, 40. So 40 pounds. Getting kind of heavy. So. Well, it's not going in the hose, so I don't know what's up. All right, we can pause it. You know, watch it fill it up. Get it filled up. I'm gonna seal it up here. I didn't do it all the way. I was worried that it would leak at the top, but it seems like it's fine. And I noticed the water's not coming through. Oh, it's probably because I have the hose here. That's why. It's air filled up, so it's probably fine. All right, let's go bring it down to where it needs to go, and hook it up. So one of the plus sides, I realized, if you need a workout, yeah, you know, a little extra something, something. But, all right, the back temperature, I don't know, the lowest temperature is 92, so clearly it's not 92 degrees. Oh, it has a nice little clasp here, so you can clip it around something if you can't reach it, but I should be able to hang it here. I can hold the weight, actually so. So there we go, this is mostly in the sun, nice 4 hours, see how hot it gets. If it warms up, we'll find out. So we'll see you in a little bit. Got it? Mm-hmm. So my wife informed me, actually, smarter move. The inside is black, and it's clear here, where the inside thing's black. So it probably absorbs more heat that way. So flip it around and see if we can get some heat to it. That's pretty thick material, though. Let's see how hot it can get. All right, so down here we had to move it. The sun stopped hitting that tree over there, so the sun's setting that way. It's about we started like at 2:40, 12:40, sorry, and it's 5:37. So and for a while I was in the shade over there, so it kind of cooled off a little, but it feels kind of warm. The sack down here, it says it's 92 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna bring it over back to the other tree we had and see what it feels like coming out. So let me unhook this. If I can get it out. There we go. Put it back together. Yeah, the pros is you gotta go work out. Just, no, you can work out with it too. I guess that's a good thing. Get a little sweat going before. Lift it up and down. Actually, I'm pretty surprised I could do this. Anyway, all right, let's hang it up here. And let's see what happens. So, yeah, the bladder faces the other way, so let's go flip it back around. Actually, did you get the shot? How it says 92? Right there? It says 92. But it definitely feels warmer. And this was like straight from the hose. Kind of. Anyway, stuff out of the shower. I'm sure I did say, so no need. Got a little soak thing here, not bad. Let's see the pressure. What it feels like coming out here. I twist this thing. I mean, that's pretty warm. I would totally shower to this. It's not the same as at home, obviously. It's just like a little, you know, you gotta do it a little higher if you can, but, you know, in a pinch, you know, you lather yourself up here, and then you turn off with a little nozzle here, and then soap up, then you rinse off, or if you need a quick rinse of your foot, you know, so you can see it. You know, I got a little quick, get your feet cleaned off or whatever. But not bad, actually. I am surprisingly happy with how quick this thing heated up. It was 4 hours, and maybe had 3 hours in the sun. Been pretty cold. To like something I was showering. So you had this set up on your tree or whatever. Yeah, one thing we did note, we put it on the ground face up, and this did leak out here. So we tried that. Don't do that. Keep it always hanging up. But yeah, it's a pretty strong bladder, so I'm gonna go empty this water out. I'm not really in a shower right now, but yeah, not a bad little thing. So I hope you all liked the video, and I definitely, at first I was skeptical, but for the Risepro, I always want to say it, Risepro or whatever, but I don't know, not a bad price. Put a link in the description there, affiliate link. So if you like this video, it'll help you determine if you wanted a shower, solar shower thing. This is a decent product here. I know I'm going to take it next time I need to do a shower, or just keep it in the car in case you never know when you need a little warm up shower there. So yeah, this is Sean Gannon, future president of the United States of America here, signing off.